Hi guys, so a little bit about me. I've been trading for a little bit of some time on and off, and I recently started to think that I need to start getting back on it, and that's why I think uh, I have something to share with you guys, and I probably hope that I'll be coming on uh, almost. I'll try to come on every day, trying to control my emotions and my risk management by sharing out my ideas out loud in the world. I purely trade on price action. I take a little bit help to determine my supports and resistances through moving averages, and that's how I trade. I have a pretty good instinct of when it comes to the markets, and that's why I hope to share with you guys because I currently don't have the risk management in place, right risk management in place, and the right discipline mindset that it takes to trade. I have blown up a lot of accounts of myself, and although they have been very small accounts, but again, a loss is a loss, and it hurts pretty bad because I don't earn that a lot. So anyway, let's get started. So I have had this. I actually blew up an account, right, my demo account on my through my forex funds today, and this is my. Uh, Give it a bite. Just give it a second. Let me back to the trade. So I have had this eye. I have had this on my eye for the past weekend. I looked at it and it looked like a really pretty good setup to me. It's honestly not. I'm not trading the trend. Riding against the trend, but I think it could be a good retracement with the CPI on our hands. We have both the US and the UK CPI scheduled to come around this truncated week. For this trade, I would probably say that since Euro AUD pair has given a good, uh, it's been giving good retracements back to the 20 EMA. It's been coming back to the 20 EMA for far too often now. Even with these three bullish setups, I would probably suggest giving this trade a shot because it's giving us new lows every day, and it's retracing back also good enough. For this trade out, my target would again not be 20 EMA. I would probably suggest to give it a little bit breathing space. Around 1.646 would be my target. In the long term, I mean, not the long term, but like in the next, in the by the time this week ends, uh, 1.646 would be my target. Coming to the areas we should be target to buy on the 30-minute chart. If you look at it, it's now giving us a good. It has given a good retracement, and it's now getting ready to break its structure down again. I would probably wait for this candle to close and another candle to probably give it a little bit of space till 1.659495, and I'll start adding my positions here. My stop loss will stay around this line. My stop loss stays around this line. A little bit of higher from here. Yep, 66280. That's around 300 350 odd points from here. My stop loss stays by this line, and my targets range from anywhere between. If you look at it, my targets go. My first target would obviously be this part, right? 585. But this is a pretty small target for 400 points. 1:1 risk reward. Uh, I'll probably think for it to give it a little bit of support and give it a bit of shot to stay here, and we could start adding my positions again from if it comes to that point. I'll probably I'll probably start adding it here, adding from this particular point 900 950 in this particular range. I'll give a stop loss of 280, 1.66280. My first target would be 1.65 at 585. If it retraces back, I'll add more around 980, 950, 900, and then my longer term, not longer term, but yeah, my supposedly targets would be uh, this one, uh, around this low, 1.64880. My second target and my final target should be around this particular line, which would be which would be this particular fella right here, 1.64100. Pretty, what do I say? Very ambitious. around 4 is to 1 risk reward. But I think this could be a pretty good trade, to be honest. And yes, that's my first idea for the week. I have another video coming right up on the USD cat pair. Since also this might be a good trading pair to trade this week because of the truncated week, plus also the CPI data that's about to come, and also the First Republic Bank acquisition by Bank of England, which again puts the US dollar on the forefront right here. So let's see how this goes, and I hope to keep trading on this pair and the rest of the pair, and give you some trading ideas if I can, because that's how I propose to myself to help build my risk management appetite and my discipline required to trade the markets. Thank you all.